Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw the Peelverine Remembers emoticon from Fortnite and Marvel at the moment, where Peelverine's hands are looking out the photo frame with a banana in. So it's a riff on the old Wolverine piece of work. So let's go into the centre there and just draw this one up. Okay, so first of all we've got a frame in the centre, so we're going to have a frame, central area, and hands around that frame like holding it, and then the banana is going to be on the frame. So I'm just going to draw myself a line, so the middle's about there, so a line around here. So just get a pen, I'm going to draw like a straight line there. Then I'm going to work down, so just going to a line probably about say there, and then here I'm just going to do a slightly longer line, so maybe to about here. Just bring the pen down there. Okay, now I've got those bits in. What I'm going to do is just have a look at the thumb that goes here. So it's a thumb area that goes around this sort of over the frame here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start about there and just draw an oblong up about there and kind of just bring that down. Thumb areas there, sort of the base of this part, kind of underneath like that, kind of comes on the frame, around like that, and then it kind of comes down. Just going to do a little bit of a curve just around that thumb area there, and then that's the finger, so that's just going to go behind the frame like that. Top of the finger, sort of like just a little lump there, bring it around and then just draw a knuckle there, another knuckle here, and maybe just a hint of one there. And then we've got Wolverine's like famous little areas where the blades come from. So I'm going to just do 1, 2, 3 little arcs like that, and then I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3 like that, and then just join up where I've done those little dots, just with lines like this, sort of making little sort of triangular areas like that. Then I'm just going to join up, gap there, and then just join up like that. There's a bit of a hint of the rest of the fingers behind here, so just draw in a bit. Couple of little lines like that. This side, what I'm going to do is just draw the main finger here and the index finger behind that. So probably from around here, I'm just going to sort of go 1, 2, 3, and come round and go 1, 2, 3. Index fingers here, so 1, 2, 3, a bit taller. Next finger along, that's kind of going to go 1, 2, 3. And then the outer finger kind of comes around here, so 1, 2, 3, and then just bring it down like that. On this side, I'm just going to bring a little curve down here. Then there's a thumb area here, so it just comes back round like this, overlap like that, around. Okay, just arc it out a bit and down like that. Then we've got the same thing, like these little blade areas. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 like that. Then 1, 2, 3. And then I'm just going to join these areas up again. Like that. So a little line behind this one. Just bring it down like that, okay? Right here, just going to come down to maybe kind of like this area here. So I'm just going to go down like this, and then from that point I'm going to come around here. So I'm just going to go along this side here. It goes under there. Okay, this is then the main frame area, so I'm just going to draw the frame inside that. So I'm basically just going to probably from about sort of this point just draw in, draw it along to about there, bring that down, like that, and then we'll just loop that in there. It's kind of like a bit 3D, so I'm just going to bring that out there, and I'm just going to do a darker line. Kind of gives the idea of 3D on this side. Frame, and then I'm just going to draw a little line behind that one there. Same thing here, it's a little bit 3D here, so all I'm going to do is just draw a thicker line behind that there. Okay, cool. At these corners, you can kind of see the edges of the frame. So this corner will line up to there. So all I'm going to do is just draw a line there. And this corner is that one. Line up there. And this corner here, there to there. Just draw that out like that. Cool. All right, let's get the little banana in. So the top of the banana is here. So I'm just going to do an oblong from sort of just upper center. Just kind of go up and around and down like that. A little V here. And then there's a banana skin here, like the peel of it. So I'm just going to do an arc there. Bring that down and around there. There's another piece here, so just bring that around there. There's one that sort of flies off this way, so I'm just going to go sort of just do a wiggly line around there. That. There's a slight line where that V is, so I'm just going to pop a little curved like line there. Then the outer part of the banana, a little bit wider than this middle part banana bit, and then just bring that in around there, and then probably from around there, sort of taper it in a little bit. Just bring out the stalk area at the end. And then there's kind of like a little sort of line just around the banana at the top there, just to show a bit of detail in there. And what I'll do as well, just go around it now. Just going to go around the whole thing, sort of just block in around that, give it a bit of oomph around the edges, sort of give it that outer pop. On the sides there. And there's a few little curves in each of these, so there's like 2 curved lines, so 1, 2 for each one. 1, 2, 1, 2. This side, similar sort of thing, so I'm just going to do 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2 like that. Okay, right, now I've got that bit on, I'm going to start just colouring it up. So I think first of all, let's go in there with a light blue. It's kind of like just colour in just around here, sort of a lighter blue area just around the edges at the top here, around there and there. These are actually quite light blue, so I'm just going to just sort of signify those as a light blue. And there's a little bit of light blue just around this side, so on the top areas. The fingers, just pop in some colour there and around there. Great, okay. Next up, what I'll do, just get the darker blue. Sort of more classic X-Men kind of blue there, and that's going to be the main part of this picture colour for the hands. So I'm just going to go in there with this nice blue, sort of just work around these areas here. There we go, it's starting to look quite X-Men-y here. Where I've got this gap here, I'm just going to kind of just work around that, a little bit of a curve, so just colour that in like this. There we go. Same sort of thing on this side, got a little curve there, so I can just come out and around like that. Then I'm just going to sort of colour around all those areas. Just sort of bring the blue pen in, so it's just got a nice hint of the lighter blue on there. Just gives our picture a little bit of pop. If you like what you're seeing, please do like and subscribe. It does mean a lot to us and the channel, and it's great for me as well just to see those subs going up. So please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll keep adding those subs to the channel. Next up, what I'm going to do is just get myself a little brown colour for the wooden frame. I'm just going to just flick the pen up around it, sort of give that effect of a wooden frame. Sort of straight there, sort of straight here, straight there, down here as well. Cool, just nice like block it all in, fill all the area in there. Just see a little bit of the dark blue actually at the fingers behind there, so let's just block that in. Then let's get ourselves like a sort of like a lighter banana-y colour. This one's sort of like a bit off, sort of yellowy brown. I'm just gonna sort of just fill that in a little bit there. And that then leads me to be able to just use the yellow pro marker then to kind of just start just filling in around the banana I'll go in there as well and just fill that in the yellowy too. Classic banana yellow colour. And then behind there, I think it's like a reddy orange, so I'm just going to get myself a nice pop-in red. Nice block colour, cartoon style. Works really well. This is a nice, quick pick to do, bit of fun. It's nice sometimes to do these emoticons. They're really cool, little things you can just draw down as a little sketch or a little doodle, and then colour it in if you like. It's just quite effective, especially effective with sort of really bold block colours that we've got here. And what I might do then is just get myself yellow again, and it's kind of like sort of glowing, this emoticon. So I'm just going to go around the edges, just sort of around the edges of this, just ever so slightly. Kind of like just give a hint of a glow around here. In there as well. Nice, okay. Just to cap it off, just a little bit of dark grey. What I'll do is I'll just do these bits here with the claws flat, just a little hint of the grey there, and maybe just this point here. Just give a little idea that it's a frame. Just get a slightly darker yellow and just do these lower parts of the banana area. Just fill those in so it's sort of blocks it in a bit more with that nice yellowy colour that we have. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's looking nice. Cool, there we go. That is the Peelverine Remembers emoticon. So let's put Peelverine Remembers at the top here. So Peelverine Remembers. And then put 3 little claw marks there. 3 little claw marks there. There we go, Peelverine Remembers on Art Draw. Please do like and subscribe, and we'll keep on doing the pictures. Please do let me know in the comments who to draw next, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, bye.